Me and Corey, we're at Gleason Falls. That's in Hillsborough, New Hampshire. Right here, you can see how strong the water is. We're gonna go down this way, see if how crazy it is. Bugs are horrid. Ugh. Wow. The mist is coming up and hitting me in the face. Jesus. Wow. So powerful, everybody, that the mist is coming up and it hits you right in the face. And to think, you have all that water coming in at a high speed like that, and it's still, it's just crazy. The bridge is just standing there. People are driving over it, and there's not much of a bridge there, as you can tell. And the creepy part is, you got the water coming in out of the rocks from the bridge, and it's just, it's crazy. It's crazy loud. And then down here you got a place that I guess people go swimming, so